Out on another camp tonight. It's birthday week. So this is my birthday camp out. Something different straight out of the gate. This week we have trees and forestry and woodland. But we need to check the map, see where we're going. As per usual with lakes, you're straight into it, but at least you gain elevation pretty fast. So we started down near those houses, down there. We've only lasted 5 minutes, but I'm foobarred already. Oh yeah. Right, go on, Johnson. Let's carry on. Now this is interesting. Not quite sure where the path goes. So we've got that up there, up there. Bit of a scramble back, look at it. Hey. Right, let's consult the map and then we'll have a go at where we're going, eh? Let's go for it. Path. Alright. Path goes that way. Well, I made it. That same path up here. Oh well, that was much as funness. Not. Right. Let's keep going then. Oh. Definitely different, this path. Usually you're up in, not in a woodland. It's nice though. It's a bit cooler in here, thankfully. So, So as it's my birthday week, I decided to treat myself to some trail runners to see what they were like for hiking in. I'm always hiking in my lowers. As it's getting a bit warmer, my feet were getting a bit hot in them. So I thought I'd try trail runners. So I've just kind of come across this like meadowy bit, and it's a bit boggy. So my feet have got a bit wet. Not soaking, just wet. So let's see if all this thing about this out trail runners is your feet dry off quickly in them. So it doesn't matter if they get a bit wet. I'll see if that holds up, eh? Also treated myself to some new Raven kebs as well. Because again, the Vida Pros are a bit warm for this weather. I do like my Raven trousers. And the way I see it, for the price, they're an investment. Because they should last a long time, hopefully. Right, I'll put you away again. I'll carry on up here. So, made it to the summit of Lord's Seat, 550 metres. Very nice and flat. Just give it a tap. There's definitely an easterly wind coming in. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it with the mic, but yeah. So we don't want to be this side. So anyway, I was going to have 5 minutes up here, but it's a bit windy. I might just drop down a bit. But we are going to now go over there to Barf and see if we can find somewhere sheltered out of wind and get pitched up later on. I don't think I'll have to leave it too late because I've seen 2 people going down and just one fella walking round. So I think we'll be alright. Alright, I'm going to just head down out of this wind because it's a bit chilly up here. Better, see, not even in wind now, so I've just dropped down just off the peak. There's no wind here, so I just have a minute here to contemplate life. You'll probably not be able to see it on this camera, but way over in the distance, over there, no, about there, is Scotland. And I believe that somewhere over there is Dumfries. I can see Scotland from here. That's crazy. Views and then back into the Lake District. Wish I knew what all these peaks were, but I ain't got a clue. It's just madness. Right, anyway, we're going down here somewhere. Right, I'll catch you in a bit. I've also got a new backpack on today. You can see that. It is a Fiern one. I can't remember the name of it. Well, and even if I could, I don't think I could pronounce it. But yes, that was a birthday gift of my lovely wife. So comfortable, lighter than the Osprey. Obviously, don't have all the bells and whistles that the Osprey has, but it's comfortable and lighter. Should be alright for more summer camps. Can't get as much in it as the Osprey, but for these summery ones, I'm not carrying as much. It will do fine, they're great. And then update on the old trail runners. Yeah, they're alright too. At first, when I first tried them on, obviously I got the size that fit me and everything. Just, I don't know, they felt a bit stiff and light, if that makes sense. Whereas now I've been walking in them for a while and kind of stretched them out and moved them around a bit. They are quite comfortable. Well, they are very comfortable. And definitely a lot lighter on feet. So, yeah, we're happy with them as well. Finally, the new Kebs. What can you say about them? They're just alright, they're great. Comfortable, nice and light compared to the Vidas. And yeah, so far so good. Totally happy with everything. I've seen Scotland. I'm now just working my way up to Barf. I think it's about 5 o'clock. So we'll have a bit of a chill. And then see if hopefully we'll be out of this easterly wind tonight. So I think as long as I'm on the other side of the hill, I can get somewhere. I should be pretty well covered. Right. Let's get up this last little bit of ascent. Oh, summit of Barf there behind us, 450 metres. Right, let's have a look where we could pitch this here tent now. This apparently is a sheer drop. Wowzers. Oh, look at that. Oh, no, 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 no. So, as Hayes Outdoor would say, I'm going to move away from here because the call of the void. Call of the void, eh? But could be a nice little one. Yeah, we've got wind there. If you want as windy, I won't mind this, but I might go and have a look down there, see how flat that is. I'll come back to you when we found a pitch. Big man beetle king. That better not crawl in my tent tonight, or there will be screams. That monster is huge. It's about the size of my thumb. Look. So, tent's up, there she is. Just made a brew. Just time to relax and chill now, really, isn't it? That's what's behind us. Sunset behind us. And this is what we've got to look down on. Scotland over there in the distance. Just about to see it. Another great night's camp, and as always, leave no trace. So just a dry patch where the tent was. And now we'll make our way back down to the car. Hello. One man, give me one bit of data. So, getting near back to the car now. If you've watched all the way through, thank you. It was a good, nice camp, that. Just what I needed. A nice, quiet place as well. I slept like a log last night. I had a right good sleep. So anyway, again, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye.